J.J. Keller Encompass is the industry's most trusted fleet management solution for driver and vehicle DOT compliance. This video provides details about J.J. Keller Compliance Tablets, a dedicated smart device for drivers and fleets to manage electronic logs, vehicle inspections, and more. Compliance tablets are available in two options: the professional tablet and the rugged tablet. The professional tablet supports drivers who operate in typical environments and industry conditions. The rugged tablet is a military-grade tablet that supports drivers who work in extreme weather conditions and high-vibration environments. These tablets are locked down and ensure no unauthorized use of company devices and time. They include the ability for our support team to remotely access the device if technical issues arise. Protection plans and tablet accessories are also available to support in-cab access, charging, and theft protection. J.J. Keller Compliance Tablets are part of Encompass Fleet Management, the industry's trusted system for managing all aspects of DOT record keeping, including hiring and driver qualification, alcohol and drug program management, vehicle inspections and maintenance, and more. It's a cloud-based fleet management system built for your company's growth. At J.J. Keller, our mission is to help you effectively manage safety and risk, and to provide you with expertise in regulatory compliance and best practices. Talk with a fleet specialist today about how J.J. Keller Compliance Tablets can support your safety program.